Here we have the SafeSense bed sensor pad. Now, this is an optional extra, which is an excellent way of being alerted to resident movement in the bed. This here simply goes underneath the mattress at the head section of the bed, either under the resident's shoulders or under their buttocks, depending on how fast you would like to be alerted as to their movement. As this is an under mattress sensor, it doesn't impact negatively on the pressure care of the resident, as some bed sensors have to be placed on top of the mattress, reducing how much the resident sinks into the mattress, thus negatively affecting its pressure care. The sensor pad is connected to a control box which lies underneath the bed. When the resident sits up, depending whether you have it under their shoulders or their buttocks, an underbed light will be activated, as you can see down below. This doesn't light up the whole room, it provides just enough light so that the resident can see where the floor is, preventing them from getting disoriented. The control box is also connected to your nurse call system via a cord and a plug, so that as soon as the resident sits up or leaves the bed, depending on where you have the mat placed, you'll be alerted through your nurse call system. On the control box there is an adjustment knob which allows us to set the time at either 0 seconds, being immediate, or 30 minutes in 1 minute intervals, so that if we had a mobile resident that was okay to go to the bathroom by themselves, say you had it set for 10 minutes, if the resident was not back in bed after 10 minutes, then it would alarm through the nurse call system so that you could go and check on the resident. There is actually a 2-second delay before the signal is sent through, so that if the resident is shuffling around on the bed or is uneasy during the night, you won't get any false alarms if they are tossing and turning. As you can see, the underbed light is still on until the resident gets back into bed and activates the sensor again. As you can see, the bed light has gone off, the sensor is now activated. Should the resident now get up and out of bed, you'll be alerted through your nurse call system, depending on the timer that you have set. We've also developed a retrofittable option so that you can get access to this technology on your existing hospital beds. The Centita SC, with its homely aesthetics, mobilisation aids, combined with an ultra-low bed height, paired with a SafeSense in-bed sensor, makes this an excellent falls prevention combination while actually increasing your resident's mobility in and out of the bed, as well as preventing falls. Thank you very much for watching, thank you for your time, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you.